Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert octal numbers into decimal with a simple step-by-step method. Even if you are new to number systems, this explanation will make it very easy to understand. Let's get started. Our example is 475 in octal. Remember, octal numbers are base 8. That means each digit represents a power of 8. Let's write the powers of 8 for each digit from the right to left. The rightmost digit has 8 to the power 0, which is 1. The middle digit has 8 to the power 1, which is 8. The leftmost digit has 8 to the power 2, which is 64. Now multiply each digit by its corresponding power of 8. 4 times 64 equals 256. 7 times 8 equals 56. 5 times 1 equals 5. Finally, add them all together. 256 plus 56 plus 5 equals 317. And that's it. The decimal equivalent of 475 in octal is 317. Thanks for watching and don't forget to practice more examples to master octal to decimal conversion.